Alright, good morning everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna go to Disneyland today with the homie Josh. Yeah! Holy crap, welcome to uncharted territory. There's hella fog here. Still stuck in traffic, but damn, this is quite a sight. Holy crap, look how thick it is! Look at how thick this fog is! Holy! Dude, you can't see anything around you except for the cars and a few signs. This is crazy. It's like the thickest fog that I've ever seen in my life.
There's a silence we hold between us, and I know it's because of me, and you echo with your indifference, but I think I know you better than that. I owe you apology, and I'm missing synchronicity. So if you can make peace with me, we can take it from there. 'Cause you're
I'm at Disneyland. That's Josh. Yeah, on a Tuesday. Seen some fellow otters. It's an interesting day so far.
Oh, thank the big. Where are we going?
Oh! It's kinda nervous. Updates. Where's the lighting? I don't know. We're on Roger Rabbit. How's your girlfriend? You can't see herself. Corn. Huh? She's corn. Oh, she's corn? Corn. Oh, he's scared right now. What the? Oh! What the hell? What is this? There's a mirror over there. What the hell? Pretty packed. Yeah. God bless. You can see the boat takes you to the water. Ah, yes. Transportation, pretty important.
I raise a toast to all of my many shipmates lost at sea. Salute.
Bucks down at halftime. Oh, there they are. Game 4 of the Eastern Conference Finals. Look at all those beasts just chilling over there. Pinocchio, you lying bastard. Extend that nose. Latin America, my people. Shout out. Hello, Ariel. A little child that looks like Mr. Jungle Book. My fish, my people. Nemo and Dory. Lilo and Stitch. Cameo. Shout out my girl Jessie. Shout out Woody and Bucko over here. Everyone unite. Farewell. That's the one they're missing. Alright everyone, so this is the end of the video, so thanks for watching. Also, shout out to Josh for spending the day with me at Disneyland, and of course also shout out to Daniel, because we just happened to bump into him and his girlfriend there. Overall, had a pretty good day. We just ended up going on a few other rides. I can film all of them obviously, because I didn't want to risk losing my camera, because it's a pretty expensive camera. But I enjoyed going on a lot of the rides for the first time ever, actually, because I haven't been on all of them. But now I've gone on all of them. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let's like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.